Hey everybody, it's Eddie over here from Indian Head Chrysler. I want to introduce you to one of our new additions on the lot here. This is a 2023 Ram 1500 Longhorn Crew Cab. Absolutely stunning vehicle in Patriot Blue. It's got tons of features. The level 1 equipment group with your power running boards, 12-inch display, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, dual pane panoramic sunroof. The best part of this is that it is part of our employee pricing sale, just like every other vehicle on the lot here, whether it's a truck, SUV, car, van, you name it. It is absolutely priced to go. This particular truck, price on it is $95,895 is the MSRP. That's the sticker price on it. We have it down to $82,870. That is over $15,000 in savings. I'm going to turn the camera around here, show you the interior, because that's what sets these trucks apart from any other truck out there. So here we are taking a look at the interior, the black with dark brown seats. Of course, you have your memory seating, all of the comfort options that you can possibly think of. There's a big, huge 12-inch display right there. You got your wireless charger. I'm going to turn this down here. You got your wireless charger down over here, so this will charge your phone up right there. Adjustable mid console. All the wood grain that you see along there with the gold accents, that continues on through the whole truck. Of course, you have your Limited Longhorn Edition badging up over there on the console. This does have the Harman Kardon 19 speaker system, heated seats, cooled seats, you name it. Every single option that could possibly be in one of our trucks is on this truck. And of course, one of the newest features, full digital display for the back there. Absolutely stunning vehicle, and it is on sale. So there you go. That's a quick look at one of our trucks here, the 2023 Ram 1500 Longhorn in the Patriot Blue. Absolutely stunning truck. Best part, like I said, it is on for the employee pricing. Over $15,000 in savings. Heads-up display, digital rear view mirror, 12-inch display, like I said before. Tons of features, and you're not going to get into a much more comfortable truck than this. Give us a call. Every single vehicle, new vehicle on our lot is part of that employee pricing. So, and most of them are priced that way. Tons and tons of savings. Give us a call and let us know what you're looking for. Come down and test drive whatever you need, and we can help you out. 306-695-2254 is our number here. Check out our full inventory online at ihchrysler.ca. Come find out why everybody's driving another Indian Head Chrysler.